All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name's Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So, real quick, I do want to announce that we are about to launch a new program. And this is for all the people that want to get a low interest rate. I'm going to show you exactly how to get the lowest interest rate. So, one of the problems that we were having with some clients, they want to buy a home out here in Vegas, but the problem is interest rates being at 7.25%, right? It's just a little bit too high. So what that means is you're losing the purchasing power, right? But what happens if I told you there are some deals out there that I'm able to negotiate where we can get you 5%, 4%, and even down to 3%. That's right, okay? 3%. Now, also, if you just have bad credit, but you're in the process of fixing your credit, but you got some money to put down, right? Again, what happens if I told you I can get you a home or an investment property that will lock you in at 3% with a balloon after 5 years? What that means to you is you find a property that you can get 3% interest rate, and then you have up to 5 years to refinance out of that deal into a traditional. Yes, that's right. This is what we call creative financing. The problem with this is this. I've got these deals that are coming to my table, but I've never really took the time to put this program and launch all this together. But today is the day. We're putting everything together. So if you guys are interested in something like this, let me know in the comments below. And pretty soon what we're gonna do is we're gonna launch this program. And basically these are for the first people that first come, first serve. And we literally have testimonials where we just did a deal for $40,000, right? The client had put down, he's getting an interest rate 3.25% for the life of the loan, 30 years. That's right, okay? And it makes sense. And I don't know why I didn't do this earlier. So if you guys are interested, comment below, let us know. Now, today I'm here in the southwest side. Now we did a full video home tour on this model right here. This is the 1437, I think it was, okay? 3 bedrooms, loft, and also a 2-car garage, 2 bathrooms as well, 2.5 bathrooms as well. Now, we're gonna be focusing on this model right here. This is the 13, what is this model? 1319 model, no, it's the 1347 model. Let me just double check because I can't remember. Yes, 1344. Now, one thing I want you to understand is that for this builder right here, this is DR Horton. What you see is what you get. You cannot build from ground up. How the process works here, as they are building, they have a total of roughly about 160 HOAs, or roughly about 102 a month. It is gated. As they are building, when they're about 3 months to completion, right, they will contact you after you've been fully approved with them. And they'll say, hey, the model that you want is coming up in 3 to 2 months. It should be ready. This is the price. Do you want it? Yes or no? You say no, move on. They move on to the next person. That's how this deal works. The downfall with that is it takes 6 months to build this. If you were able to lock in 6 months ago, you get a better deal. But these guys are smart. They know what they're doing. They wait till the end. And what happens is you have a laundry list of buyers, 1, 2, 3, 4, waiting for the same model. What they do is push the price up. So let's take a look at this. 1344. Looks like your utilities are gonna be right here. You got this little Ring doorbell again, push keypad. As we come in, first thing, I am granted with this staircase that runs straight up. So this doesn't even look like LVP flooring. This actually looks like laminate flooring. Yes, this feels like laminate flooring, tongue and groove, 6x6 slider. Look at this backyard. You don't even get a backyard. Your backyard basically shares a backyard. Ooh, you got carrier AC unit. So we just got done looking at that model here. So too bad you can't put a wall here and a wall here. So basically you don't really have a backyard. You're just kind of sharing everything. And I already know what's going to happen, guys, honestly. Okay, people are gonna have their barbecue grill they're gonna have a bunch of stuff out here, and all the shit that they don't want, it's gonna be out here, right? And it's gonna be hidden from plain view, which is the front, and the HOAs are only going to manage whatever's in the front. But back here, eventually, this is gonna be a stockpile full of belongings that people don't want in their house. I can guarantee it. Come back here in a year, you're gonna see this, and hopefully the HOA regulates this. Because the last thing you want to do is the guy that takes care of his house, he comes outside, you see a bunch of crap here, and you see a bunch of crap here. I'm not saying that's gonna happen, but that's something to keep aware of, okay? Now, one thing I've noticed is that they have spray foam in between the insulation, which is good. That kind of keeps the rodents out. Now let's take a look at this bad boy. Okay, first thing I've noticed, ceilings, 8 feet tall, very low. I definitely could dunk on this easy on an 8-foot rim back in my heyday. But I love the fact it is nice and open, okay? Standard 2-inch baseboards, really not feeling that. There's not too much things that are really customized on this production build. These are pretty much all like stock, standard grade apartment stuff. So a lot of this stuff, you got the white shaker cabinets, but it's the faux looking white shaker cabinets. I mean, this is only 36 inches. Obviously, you can't do a 42 on a 8-foot ceiling. It's just not gonna look right, and I understand. The appliances, the Kenmore appliances, actually Whirlpool appliances. But again, you know, one thing I want you to think about is that this is just a starter home. Now, pricing I'm seeing as they go on the market, they're roughly about $375 to $380. So it's not bad of a price to get started on a home. Now, imagine if you can get this at 6%. Now, that's the way that they're pitching this deal now, that you can actually get this at 6%. In addition to that, you can also possibly negotiate $5,000 towards credit. What do we have here? Oh, half bath underneath the staircase. Something just flashed. But take a look at this. You got the staircase right there. Okay. 2 panel doors. These are not solid panel doors. We have our 2-car garage right here. Now let's make our way upstairs. Ooh, you got the IQ pad. This is actually a very good pad. I have this pad myself right here, this panel. What I like about this panel, this could actually connect to the Ring doorbell. In addition to that, the reason why I like this is because this is actually compatible with a few systems. Now, with the camera system, you have to find that one that's compatible. You connect that to this. I have about 6-7 cameras that's compatible to this. You also have the control over your phone as well. You can do the MyQ app for your garage door opener. You can connect this to this as well. That's why I love this keypad right here. This is a very good keypad, okay? Oh, and this one, they switched it out for a dimmer, which is really cool. Here's your coat closet. And the other thing is, I have not been shooting any video home tours for a while. And the reason why is because I'm just like super busy with the business. I have so much loose ends that we have to tie up. And I'm not complaining, guys. I am super blessed. Also, click on the link in the description below. Make sure to get that merch to support that CKG group. Because you know why? I am trying to buy an apartment complex. I've got some goals. Also, waiting for that Lambo to come in. So I need some of that Lambo money. You know what I mean? Hey, for all you haters out there, it's okay to hate. Okay? It's okay to criticize. Just let us know in the comments below. Bedroom here, bathroom, primary. Where are we going? Let's start off. This is the laundry room. Now somebody's calling. Who's calling? Let me take this spam call real quick. Hello, Chakits. Hello? Hello? Oh, they hung up on me. So we have the laundry room on the 2nd floor. And also we have a drain pan. Nice. Alright, let's flip this bad boy around. We're going to go to the bedroom first. And while I'm doing this, I'm going to just check my text real quick. It says, Chakits, just got the renderings. Email them to you. Please review and call me afterwards. I'll be available. Will do. Also, the other thing I do want to say is that For all the guys that have been with me for some time, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. And here's why. My business has grown tremendously. I'm working with so many different developers and builders, right? Because they see the value in this channel. Not only that, what's starting to happen is this. I am starting to work with other investors where we're actually flipping properties together, taking on more listings. So again, guys, that's because of you. It's all the hard work, the tenacity, the drive. And if you're just getting started into the marketplace today as a brand new agent, look, man, I know how hard it is. I was there. The easy answer to this, put in the hard work. That's all it is. Now, I definitely see myself wanting more, and wanting more is okay. Because I know the potential. Like, I want to be the man, right? I want to be the real estate guy here in Las Vegas. When you think about real estate, I want to dominate the space. Now I can tell you, this is definitely a great starter home, and that's it. This is something that I don't see myself living in this thing for the rest of my life. Because you know why? Eventually this is going to be a rental property. And I can tell you right now, all this stuff is just like, I don't want to say it's not quality, but it's like, you know, kind of like Walmart brand. You know what I'm saying? Pay less. But what you're getting for the price is actually a really good price. Oh, you got two. That's interesting. 2 closets. All right, let's take a look at this bad boy. Oh, man, you got the grill all crooked. Like, come on, guys. Get that grill straight. Pretty decent size. You're probably looking at about 5 by 6. Then we have 2 sections to put your clothes. It looks like you're probably going to be putting your shirts here, your pants here, then, you know, your dress. So this probably be for the ladies. And this is for my homies right here. Much aloha right here. Alright, I mean, that's pretty much it for this video home tour. Also, hey, real quick, if you are an agent out here, right, and you got, you know, a nice property, especially those luxury ones, and I'm talking about like $5 million dollar homes, let us know. Let's just connect, because we've been doing a lot of multi-million dollar homes. So now, let's do some business together. Also, if you're just getting started in the marketplace, we got so many different type of programs for, you know, the first-time home buyers. Give us a call. We definitely want to help you out. There's no charge to you whatsoever. It's all about getting educated and understanding how the process works. And that's what we do for a living, right? Is to help you and walk you through one of these big purchases. Because $350,000, let me tell you guys, that is a lot of money. All right, other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. And be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.